Hello, this is KENKEN Ben. I'm going to try and do a 9 by 9 all operations KENKEN. First of maybe one, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So 24 times, the only options are 3, 4, 6, 8. 35 times, you just got 1, 5, 7. Got this 8 times. We've got this 4 divide, and we've got this 8 times. And the only options for those are 1, 2, 4, 8. 378, the only way we can do that is 6, 7, 9. We've got 5, 7 here. 14, it can either be 5, 9 or it can be 6, 8. Now, this 216 will have a 9 in it, so we can take that 9 out and take that 5 out. We've got a 1, 9 here for that 8 minus, so we lose that 9. Got a 15 times here. 1, 3, 5. Now we're going to lose that 5, which means we can't have 5, 9 there, which means we can't have 8 there, which means it has to be 1, 4. So we've got 1, 4. Okay, so now that we've got 1, we can get rid of that. So that's 1. 3, 5, 6, 8, 1, 4. There's no 7, so that 7 will have to go there, and that will have to be 2 and 9. Now, 18 and 4, 32 will go 24 times. So that's 3, 4, 6, 8 are the possibilities there. Now, going across in this 20 plus, we've got the 7, so we need another 13. Can't be 6, 7. Can't be 5, 8, so it has to be 4, 9. Which means there's no 4, 6 here. So we've got a 7 there. Let's put that in. 3, 8, 1, 5, 4, 9, 7, 2, 6. That's what's left. Which makes that, hold on, let's just look down the bottom here. We've got 9 and 1, which means that cannot be 6. It has to be 2. So that we can get a 5 there rather than a 1. That's 6, and that must be 2. And we've got a 9 there and a 2 there. Now this 3 divide can only be 1, 3. And immediately we can see, because we've got 3's in these spots, we can't have any 3's in those 2 columns. Will come in handy later on. So 1, 3, 7, 5, 2, 9, got 4, 6, 8 in those 3 spaces there, 4, 6, 8. Now if you look at these two, 4, 8 won't go. 6, 8 only leaves you with 1, so that's not going to work in those 2 spaces. So it has to be 4, 8. Sorry, 4, 6, which leaves you 1, 2 there. Because you've already got a 2, that has to be 1, that has to be 2, and that has to be 8, because that's all that's left. And this will be 7 or 9. Now because we've got that 2 there, then we've got to have 1, 8 across here. And that's 4, and that's 1. Okay. Also here, this has to be 8, 1, because we've got a 2 in that column. This leaves us on this row with 2, 3, 4, 5. Already said we can't have 3's there. Okay, what else have we got? Down the bottom here, we've got 7, 8, 9. Got a 5 up here, got a 1. Okay. Here we've got, there's no 1 or 8 in these spots, and there's no 5, 7, 9, so it has to be 2, 3, 4, 6. can go here. 3, 4, 5, 7, 5 can't go there. So it's either 3, 7 or 6. Now, if we look at these two, there has to be a 3 or a 4. If we look at these two, there has to be a 3 or a 4. So we can't have a 3 over there. It has to be 5, 3. Okay. Okay, where do we go next? That 2 can't be there because we'd need a 4 above it, so we get rid of that. The 4 could produce a 6 here, or a 3, or a 7 coming from that 5. Okay. What have we got left here? 3, 6, 7. Okay. Now, 7 doesn't work because we can't have a 4. So it has to be 5, 8. Oh, we can't have an 8, so that must be 6. It has to be 5. We've got a 3 there, an 8, so they can work, become 24. 7, 5. Okay, we've got 2, 4 there and 2, 4 there, which means that has to be 3. So we need to add 7 to that, so that could be 5 or 3 in this spot there, but it can't be 3, so it has to be 5, which means 2, 4, that's a 9, that's all that can go there. We've got 5 there. Okay. 7, 5. All right. Now along here, well, the only possibilities are 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. It's 9 times 24. Because we've got 8s there and there, means we can't have a 3 there. I'll get rid of that. I've just noticed that has to be 7. Let's see what we can fit in here. 4, 8, that cannot be 8 down the bottom because we've got 8s over here. In fact, we know all these. And this must be 2 or 6. I'm happy whenever we're down to 4 possibilities in a cell just to add them all. So we can just have a look at that. And we can see the only one position could possibly be 5, and it's that one. So this is 7, so that's 1, 5, 6. In fact, only the 6 works, so that's 1. We've got 7 there, that has to be 3. 6, 2, 4, 9, 3, 7, 1, 5, 8. 6, 2, 4, 2, 8. 6, 8. Now this has to be 3, 9 because we've got that 8. So what does that leave us with here? 2 and 4. And we can start cleaning up at the top. 3, 8, 3, 1, 4, 9, 6, 4, 3. That can only be 4. What do we got here? 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 3, 9. Now we just fill in all these. There's only one possibility in each cell, and we'll be done. And we've got 7, 2, 4, 3, 9, 6, and we're done. All right, thanks for watching. Maybe I'll see you next time.